5 respectively. So find the radiant heat exchange per square meter for 20 plates. Papalit lang yan yung 20 plates. So, meron daw tayong dalawang large plates. So this is plate 1, this is plate number 2. Okay, so ito yung plate 1 natin, plate number 2. Sabi dyan, it is maintained at 800 and 300 degrees Celsius. Ito yung sa plate 1 natin, so this is maintained at 800 degrees Celsius. And yung plate 2 is maintained at 300 degrees Celsius. 300 degrees Celsius. So emissivities are 0.3 and 0.5 respectively. So yung nauna is para dun sa 1 and yung pangalawa is para dun sa 2. Since respectively na. So 0.3, emissivity 1 is equal to 0.3 and emissivity 2 is equal to 0.5. Okay? So now find the radiant heat exchange per square meter for 20 plates. So pinapahanap dyan yung radiation heat transfer natin per unit area. Meaning, kung babalikan natin yung Stefan Boltzmann's constant, di ba sabi natin doon, U1 is equal to emissivity bar, Stefan Boltzmann's constant times area times T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. Okay, so pinapahanap dyan is rate ng heat transfer per unit area. So therefore, divide natin both sides na area, makakancel yung area dyan. So yung Q from 1 to 2 per unit area, so that is equal to emissivity bar times yung Stefan Boltzmann's constant times T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4. Okay? So, ang problema lang natin dito is kung ano yung emissivity bar na gagamitin natin. So, kung titingnan nyo, yung example number 1, so it is emissivities of two large plates. So, babalikan natin sa mga cases, yung dalawang parallel plates natin. So, kung babalikan natin dito, case 1 yan. Diba? Under siya ng case 1. Ibig yung emissivity bar natin, 1 over emissivity 1 plus 1 over emissivity 2 minus 1. So, yung emissivity bar pala natin, so yung emissivity bar is equal to 1 over emissivity 1 plus 1 over emissivity 2 minus 1. Okay? So, substituting the given emissivity bar, 1 over emissivity 1 natin is 0.3 plus 1 over emissivity 2 is 0.5 minus 1. Then, using our calculator, makukuha natin yung emissivity at 0.23. So, 0.23 yung ating emissivity bar dyan. Now, pag nakuha na yung emissivity bar, saka natin siya i-substitute dito sa ating formula. But take note, yung temperatures natin dyan dapat naka-absolute value. So, tingnan natin yung temperatures. T1 is naka 800 degrees Celsius. So, T1 naka degrees Celsius. Therefore, heat muna natin ito. Convert. So, same with this T2. At 300, heat din natin siya convert. So, T1, that is equal to 800 plus 273. 0.15, so that is equal to 8, 9, 10, 1,073.15 Kelvin. So T2, 300 plus 273.15, that is equal to 573.15 Kelvin. So meron na tayo temperatures at absolute temperatures. Now next is, i-plot na lang natin siya dun sa ating equation. Now, yung view natin, 1, 2 per unit area, so that is equal to emissivity bar, which is nakuha natin at 0.23. 0.23 times yung Stefan Boltzmann's constant natin, 5.67 times 10 raised to negative 8. Kung sa calculator, keep constant 31. So, makukuha natin yung Stefan Boltzmann's constant dyan. So, unit nito, watts per meter squared Kelvin to the 4. Okay, so times yung area, yung temperature, T1, 1073.15, raised to 4, T1, minus T2 raised to 4, so T2 natin is 573.15 raised to 4. So yung unit nito magiging Kelvin to the 4th. So unit analysis, makakancel yung Kelvin to the 4th, makakancel din yung wala na. So matitirang unit is naka watts per meter squared. So yung view natin per area, from plate 1 to plate 2, naka watts per meter squared. And that is equal to how many? 800 watts per meter squared. Or pwedeng sabihin na 15.8 times 10 raised to 3. Or 15.8 kilowatts per meter squared. So yan yung para sa ating example number 1.